come back again, you will see everything is related to the first slide, which was about attitude, how to manage stress, and your mindset. Another for you, people that have one life, and it's worth living it. And it's worth living it if it means you have a beautiful smile, just like you, every one of you. So use it. Why don't you use it? The smile is the most powerful tool that you have. And so many people, because of the stress in the mind, they think that life, however, comes smile because we are alive. We all have, the stressful events is we lose someone close to us.
Use your time the most efficient way possible, right? Stress on it. You have to use your time in the most efficient way possible. You have to avoid those distractions. Control distractions at this time. You're not listening, people coming in, you're getting phone, you're getting messages, so you have to avoid distractions. So, okay? If anything you understand, you can stop. Give yourself an honest time to relax and enjoy life. Life is beautiful, you need to enjoy life, isn't it? Yeah, we need to be positive. Never do it. Smooth. Time management benefits. What are the benefits you bring? Time management benefits to combat stress. The first one, if you have a good time management strategies, your brain, of course, regular your walking time. Okay? You will provide a better quality of work. Okay? More productivity and efficiency. Much less procrastination. Now, many people often say, well, I do tomorrow, I do after, I do. So you have to use this in your life. If ever you come across, if you have such rapid behavior, so you need to change. Less anxiety and frustration. If things are going the right way, you're happy. You're delighted because I'm keeping to my heart. So you're a poor person, you're happy. So it will come. Improve, improve also. Time management. It should improve your quality of life.
Important, and the one want to share about it. What the positives are important?
Feel good factor. You feel good.
Yes. Yes.
No worry at all.
Okay. Yes. Anyone?
You will be happy,
Okay.
healthy, and you will
Yeah.
feel safe.
So it's happy.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So drawing on experience. So when you do something continuously, you are in your comfort zone. So you have an experience and you're building on your experience. This is why. And also, we